Okay, here we have this bike I got. It's a bike I got for free. It's got this bike lock on here. I don't have a key for it, nor did the last owner. It's definitely not nicked, it's, I did buy it, so it's all good. It was just worn out, just see the mech handle's kind of broken over there after a bit of riding. Here I have a standard pair of wire cutters that are a bit worn out. Here I have cheap lock, and I'm doing this on camera. Why you shouldn't buy a cheap bike lock? That's why. These are standard wire cutters. You can get these from Screwfix for $4.99. And people will often use a little cable lock like this to secure a bike worth a couple of £1,000s. As you can see, the outer plastic is really thick, and the inner cable is not much thicker than a gear cable or a brake cable, about twice as thick, but still tiny. There's nothing there, just cut straight through it, one-handed, whilst holding the camera. Thank you for watching. Buy a proper lock, preferably a D lock that goes around the frame and is of good quality if you're riding your bike and leaving outside of work. And maybe a cable lock or a couple of cheap cable locks just to secure the wheels, unless they're expensive wheels, in which case you want something a bit more substantial, like a big thick chain that goes around the wheels, the bike frame, and the barrier, and a D lock. That concludes this video. See you later.